In this video, we'll see together some verbs that will be constructed with the preposition a and then will be followed by another verb in the infinitive form. The whole series contains 4 parts and this is the second part of this series. So let's start with the first verb, le premier verbe. Se décider à. Je me décide à commencer mes études. Je me décide à commencer mes études. So in that situation, the verb is se décider. So remember, pronominal verb. So this is the reason why when you conjugate it, you will have to put the pronoun me. Je me décide à commencer mes études, followed by the preposition a, then we put the verb commencer in the infinitive form. So this structure is not really tricky to make. Je me décide à commencer mes études. Deuxième verbe. Se disposer à. Je me dispose à les recevoir dans mon bureau. So same thing here, se disposer, pronominal verb. So je me dispose, then we put the preposition à. And this is important and take the time to look at it. So the verb is recevoir. So it's in the infinitive form, okay? But then you can see that between à and recevoir, you have this pronoun les. Remember, les is a pronoun complément d'objet direct. And it means that all the time in French, the pronouns connected to a verb must be placed before it. So it means that this pronoun les will have to be before recevoir. So this is the reason why you have first a preposition, then you put your pronoun and then you put your infinitive. Je me dispose à les recevoir dans mon bureau. Troisième verbe. Demander à. Il demande à participer au match. Il demande à participer au match. So in that situation, it's not really tricky. The verb demander, it's a regular verb from the first group. So for the conjugation, it's quite simple. Then you put your preposition à, second verb in the infinitive, participer. Il demande à participer au match. Quatrième verbe. Encourager à. Je les encourage à continuer leurs études. Je les encourage à continuer leurs études. So you can see that the verb is encourager. We conjugate it because we want to put the pronoun. We put it before. So je les encourage. Then you put the preposition à and your second verb is in the infinitive form, continuer. Je les encourage à continuer leurs études. Cinquième verbe. Enseigner à. Je leur enseigne à nager. Je leur enseigne à nager. Je leur enseigne à nager. So the verb enseigner from the first group, so that's the reason why you can see this beautiful ending here in the end. Remember that the pronoun should be placed before, obviously. Je leur enseigne, then the preposition à, and your verb, second verb in the infinitive form, nager. Je leur enseigne à nager. Sixième verbe. Forcer à. Il me force à finir ma soupe. Il me force à finir ma soupe. So, in that situation, it's the same. It's a regular verb, so forcer, quite easy to conjugate. We need to put once again the pronoun before the verb. So, il me force, then the preposition a, and after that your verb finir in the infinitive form. Il me force à finir ma soupe. Septième verbe. S'habituer à. Je m'habitue à parler français avec mes collègues. Je m'habitue à parler français avec mes collègues. So the verb is s'habituer, one more pronominal verb, so that's the reason why you will have your pronoun here. Je m'habitue, then the preposition à and your verb, regular verb, parler in the infinitive form, parler français avec mes collègues. Huitième verbe. Hésiter à. J'hésite à lui répondre tout de suite. J'hésite, regular verb from the first group, then you put your preposition à. Remember, infinitive form is répondre here, that's the verb, but because we have a pronoun, as we had previously, the pronoun must be between the preposition and the verb. More precisely, it should be right before your verb. So, j'hésite à, preposition, then your pronoun lui, then the infinitive répondre tout de suite. Numéro 9. Inciter à. Il m'incite à faire une pause. Il m'incite à faire une pause. So, regular verb, inciter, you've got the pronoun here. You have your preposition right after and the infinitive form faire. Il m'incite à faire une pause. Numéro 10. Inviter à. Je l'invite à déjeuner avec moi. Je l'invite à déjeuner avec moi. Well, simple configuration in that situation. The verb inviter, it's a regular one. You put your pronoun before your verb, then you have your preposition à, and then the infinitive déjeuner is coming right after. Je l'invite à déjeuner avec moi.